To create a ChatGPT shortcut, open the internet, and I recommend to use Google Chrome for this. Open chatgpt.com, click on the three dots, move your mouse to Cast, Save and Share, and click on Create Shortcut. And you can call this however you like. Click on Create. After the shortcut has been created, you can rename it if you want, and you can also move it around. A very useful tip is that after you have logged into ChatGPT and you have some saved conversations, you can save the specific link of the conversation. So you can create a shortcut to that specific conversation. To do this is to open the specific conversation, click on the three dots, move your mouse to Cast, Save and Share, and click on Create Shortcut. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other tutorial you need? Tell me in the comments.